guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video will just be a mini makeover of my room here in Parañaque. Kasi nung kakauwi ko lang here, sobrang kalat ng room ko since wala naman naglilinis and hindi siya ino-occupy ng sister ko. Minsan lang niya ginagamit pag nag-review and such. So, I took the time para ayusin siya and para makagawa rin ako ng content here sa Parañaque. So, actually, tapos na ngayon. Pero ngayon ko palang pinifilm yung intro kasi wala. I just started right away, like, fixing and cleaning. So, technically, the first step for me para maayos ko yung room ko is to clean it. So, yun muna yung ginawa ko. Nakakangalay. Hi guys! So, nalipat na yung bed here. Wala na siya sa gitna. Nasa gilid na siya ng wall. And then, napaalis ko na yung lumang table ko, which is yung gray na table. So, ayun. So, right now, mag-unboxing tayo. Pero may nauna na akong in-unbox na binili ko na gamit sa Shopee, which is this platter. Ano tawag dito? Jewelry plate. Basta ito siya. Lalagyan siya ng jewelry. And then, it came with this one. So, ayan. Bawal siyang tumagal sa loob ng packaging kasi nag-ano daw siya. I forgot what's the term. Pero parang nabubulok or like parang ganun. Kasi pottery siya eh. Medyo matagal to kasi ang dami kung nakikita nyo lang yung pile ng gamit na nasa gilid ko ngayon. Grabe. Unahin na natin to. Guys, hulaan nyo ano to. So I bought a chair. Kasi yung chair ko na white, iniwan ko siya sa door. So, ayun. Bumili ako nung para dito. White to, color white. And then, hindi siya leather. Plastic yung binili. Alam nyo ba, last week ko pa in-order. Ay! Last week ko lang sila in-order. Dumating naman sila agad. So this is how it looks like. This is my chair. This will be my chair. And then it comes with, duran dito yung legs niya. So, ayan. So, the next, or the third thing that I got from Shopee is this one. Actually, di ko alam ano to. So, sobrang dami kong in-order. Vase. Vase. This is a vase. Plastic vase. And then, this one, I think, is the flowers. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura niya. Yeah. Lagay natin. Ah, so cute! Also guys, I think these are the posters. I ordered posters from Shopee as well. So let's check. Puro to pink. As in, puro pink. So it comes in this wrapper. Yun lang. Ito yung ano, ang hirap niya open. This is how the posters look like. Cute! Hindi ko na siya papakita ng isa-isa. But, ayan. Then, these are the other ones. Ito yung isa. Ang cute! Hala! Dito ako, pinaka-excited. Aside from the posters. Kasi, ito yung bagong mirror. Tapos, yung mirror na to is para siyang ano, vintage ba? Ang tawag ko. Ito yung stand niya. Guys, nabasag! But I'm still gonna use it. Pero nabasag siya. That's so sad. Bakit nabasag? Pero ayan siya. I'm still gonna use it regardless. So, yung last 3 things. Ito kasi, hindi ko na alam kung pang ilang item to. Pero, sobrang laki kasi. Bumili ako ng mirror, ng table, at saka ng clothing rack. For those who doesn't know, meron akong clothing rack sa dorm. Di ba nakikita niyo naman yun sa mga background? So, bumili din ako dito. Kasi actually, hindi lang siya pang design. Nakakatulong talaga siya. Especially for my uniform. So, parang kinukuha-kuha ko na lang. So, bumili ako ng clothing rack. Sa Dibs. Ayan sila. So, hindi ko ma-unbox. So, this one naman, this is my bedding. Ito yung magiging bedsheet ko. Pagtapos na. Pinaka-last ko itong ilalagay. So, ito siya. So, it comes with the pillowcase and then the bedsheet itself. So, ayan siya. Hi, guys! So, kahapon, hindi ako nag-vlog. So, but this is the second day in vlog. Nagawa na yung table, nagawa na rin yung chair. I'll show you in a bit, and then nagawa na rin yung clothing rack. So, nakabihis ako today because my sister and I will go to the mall since gusto ko nga i-frame yung gusto ko to i-frame kasi doon ko siya isasabit. I'm gonna show you the table and the chair because they look nice. I'm filming using my phone because full storage na to, but ayan, dito yung POV kanina. And then, when you turn to the right side, andyan yung clothing rack. So, dyan ko siya ilalagay. And then, I'm gonna remove all of that. And then, yan yung packaging ng table. And then, this is the table. Diba? And then, the chair. Like, I think 1.3 or like 1.2 lang yan. So, ito, isasagad ko siya dun sa dulo. And then, this one will be beside this one or dito. I don't know pa. Pero may mirror kasi. So, I don't know. And then, syempre, all of this stuff will be transferred here. So, gagawin ko na siya lahat tonight. Also pala, this one will also be fixed. And then, I bought some of my stuffed toy from Dasma. The overview of my room right now. It's still messy, but unti na lang. Kaya ko naman ata siyang tapusin tonight. So, hi guys. So, I just came back from the mall and ang pina-frame ko lang is dalawa. Yung dalawa. Yan, tapos ganyan. As of the night, I'll just be fixing the whole room, preparing it, and then I'll see hanggang saan yung matatapos ko. So,
Why didn't you say this before?
Oh, wait, don't connect though. She was crazy. She started
So that's why you moved here from your city.
how cute! Oh my gosh!
Okay. She can hear our footsteps anyway. Kaya follow the blue line. Ano? Pampers! Shit, you're my ass.
Hindi siya kasha, guys. It's
Ay,
baby.
Okay, nice starters. Doon, diretso tayo sa kaliwa. That's how it goes. Okay? Thank you. Okay, what do I do?
Okay na. Nalatag ko na!
Okay. Please deliberate mo.
Everything is done na. So, today is Friday. Ginawa ko siya ng in the span of 3 days lang. Pero kasi, before that, bago ko siya i-film, nakadating na lahat ng in-order ko. So, talagang dire-diretso lang yung work ko. So, yeah. I'll show you the room. Pero hindi na siya magiging thorough na room tour. Kasi parang lagi nyo naman na siyang nakikita sa mga videos. So, yeah. Let's start. Katabi kayo ng door. So from the door, pa-right, andito yung mirror ko. Ayan. Mirror, and then, ito na yung table, guys. Like, ayan. Ito yung table, and then, ito yung isang table. Niretain ko to kasi malit lang naman siya. And then, I have my aircon there. Ayan. So, this one, luma na to. And then, this one is from door. This one, luma na din to. Talagang may lalagyan ako ng mga lipsticks and then brushes. I have my chargers here. And then ito, nailaw to. Ayan o, like may buttons siya. Pero wala kasing malapit na saksakan. So, ito yung vase. So, this is the door. And then this is the clothing rack. Naglagay na ako ng shoes. I also won't show you na. Kasi, ano lang naman siya. Basta shoes ko yung nasa baba. And then, naghang ako ng ibang mga bags. Mahilig ako sa tote bag. Kasi kahit itong mga nakasabit here sa likod, mga tote bag. And then, this one is a bag from Parisian. And then, tote bags ulit. And then, I have my brown bag here. And then, yun lang. Here is my bed. Hindi naman ako natutulog dito. Ang tinutuluan ko talagang room is yung sa master's bedroom with my mom and then sister. So, ayan. Hindi ko ito ginagamit, kaya hindi ko rin siya binilhan ng kumot. Pero, naidlip ako dito pag sa hapon. If gusto kong umidlip. Pero, sobrang rare na mag-sleep ako ng hapon kasi gusto kong natutulog ng maaga. So, ayan yung, this is my wall, my current wall. And I don't know, baka magdagdag pala ako kasi na-o-ontean ako. So, lagi niyo lang makikita tong background na. So, that is for today's video. I think this will be very short. I don't know, let's see. Kasi, hindi pa ako naglilipat ng files. But, yeah, that is for today's video. Inayos ko lang talaga yung room ko so that I can make better content with a proper background. So, yeah. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Thanks for watching!